Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich isn't just a book about making money. It's a mindset manual. Napoleon Hill spent over 20 years studying 500 of the most successful people in the world, including Edison, Ford, Carnegie, and Rockefeller, and he discovered something most people never figure out: success doesn't start in your wallet. It starts in your thoughts. This book teaches you how to think like the wealthy and why most people never do. Let's break it down. Lesson 1. Desire is the starting point. Everything begins with desire. Not casual interest, not wishful thinking. A burning, specific, obsessive desire to achieve something. Hill says if you want to be rich, you need to be clear. How much do you want, by when, and what are you willing to do in return? It sounds basic, but most people skip it. They hope. They wait. They never get clear. Desire backed by action. That's how empires begin. Lesson 2. Faith. Believe before you see it. Belief isn't optional. It's fuel. Hill says that what you repeat to yourself becomes what you believe. And what you believe becomes what you create. You need to see the wealth before it shows up in your bank account. Faith here doesn't mean hope, it means mental certainty. Most people doubt themselves into failure. The rich build belief like a muscle, with daily focus, vision, and self-talk. Lesson 3. Autosuggestion. Program your subconscious. Hill says, you talk to yourself all day, whether you realize it or not. So start using it. Autosuggestion means repeating your goals daily, out loud, with emotion and clarity. You're not convincing the world. You're convincing yourself. And once your subconscious believes something is true, you act differently. You speak differently. You attract opportunities you'd normally miss. Lesson 4. Specialized knowledge, not just education. Rich people don't chase random facts. They get specific knowledge that solves problems or builds income. Hill says general education is useless unless it helps you earn. You need knowledge that's useful, relevant, and monetizable, and then you need to apply it. The world doesn't pay for degrees. It pays for results. Lesson 5. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. All wealth starts in the mind before it exists in the real world. Imagination isn't for artists and kids, it's for builders. Hill explains two types, synthetic and creative. Synthetic imagination combines what already exists. Creative imagination brings in new ideas through focus, silence, inspiration. The richest ideas come when most people are too distracted to hear them. Lesson 6. Organized planning. Ideas mean nothing without execution. Most people stop at the vision board. But Hill says, without a clear, organized plan, desire is just fantasy. Successful people write it down, break it down, and build a team. They don't wait for the right time. They act, test, adjust. A bad plan executed with focus beats a perfect plan that stays in your head. Lesson 7. Decision. Wealthy people decide fast and change slow. Indecision is the enemy of success. Hill found that successful people make decisions quickly and rarely second guess. Unsuccessful people overthink everything and change their mind constantly. Doubt kills momentum. If you want to move forward, train yourself to act without waiting for perfect clarity. Clarity comes from movement, not overthinking. Lesson 8. Persistence, the line between winners and quitters. Here's where most people lose: they give up too soon. Hill says every success story is built on one thing: persistence. Not motivation, not inspiration. Just showing up again, and again, and again. The rich push through failure. They don't get emotional about obstacles. They see problems as part of the path, not proof that it won't work. Lesson 9. The power of a mastermind. You're only as strong as your circle. Hill says wealthy people surround themselves with other ambitious minds. They form a mastermind, a group that supports, challenges, and expands their vision. You grow faster with the right people in your corner, and shrink when you're surrounded by small minds. Audit your circle, upgrade if needed. Final takeaway: Think and Grow Rich isn't about money. It's about mental wealth. It teaches you how to think like someone who builds, attracts, and sustains success. Desire, faith, persistence, planning, decision. It's all mindset. That's why some people earn millions and others, with the same background and skills, never escape survival mode. Change how you think, and you'll change what you earn. This is Motivator, where we don't chase shortcuts. We build skill, mindset, and long-term results. If you're ready to level up, subscribe and join the movement. Real strategy, real mindset, real wealth. See you in the next inspiring video.